Larry, how are you? I'm very interested to see that you're from the Homemakers and that you've had an association with the Hara for nearly 12 years.
That's right, Ben.
And why do you think that the Hara green glove has been good for the crim-safe screens?
Well, in a lot of cases, people have their security grills on the inside of the home. It's very hard for them to actually hose them down when they're inside the home. So a Hara glove, which we supply to our clients, it's easy for them to clean their crim safe, even if they're outside with their safe and water. And they find it really great to get into all the little grooves and cracks.
Oh, that's great. Now, Larry, I also have just told you that Hara have other gloves to do other various jobs. And I believe here at the Homemakers that you have a lot of other products in the crim safe product. And that you're very keen to take on and give an added value to your customers by introducing them to the chemical-free way, the Hara way, like the crim safe Crime Stoppers. Why would you take that on?
Well, in speaking with all my clients, they're going that way. They're all very environmentally, well, a lot of them are now environmentally friendly, and they do like that option. And with the extra product that you have, and all the products that we have in the way of awnings and blinds and all those, and they'll be very happy.
Larry, I just look forward to working together with you, that we all can make our customers happy.
Oh, that's the main thing, and we'd love to do that.